Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. It is a CLIA placed assay performed on MAGLUMI analysis systems to detect IgM antibodies against Herpes Simplex viruses. Detection of recent or acute infection identifies IgM antibodies to Herpes Simplex Virus type 1 and Herpes Simplex Virus type 2. Over here we can see the Snibe Dynastic brand, and here we can see the product name MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA Herpes Simplex Virus 1 and Herpes Simplex Virus 2 chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute, 1 ml negative control, 1 ml positive control. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 130262009M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see this is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing address also. This kit is manufactured from China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing address. Then also we can see the European representative address also. This is one instruction manual inside this kit. We store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. So this is the overall view of this product. I am going to show about the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM, reference number 130262009M, then lot number, then expiry date also. This is overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. We should open this side. After opening we can see the positive control, negative control, and reagent kit and instruction manual. I am going to take this one by one. After opening, the first product is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic and product name MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA. This is a C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit 130262009M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precaution, reagent handling, storage and stability, lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal HSV-1/2 IgM, total of 3 nurses. And next one is a positive one, negative control stickers. The first 4 one is positive control and second 4 one is for negative control, total of 8 nurses. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is a QC certificated product by Snibe Dynastic. And next one is a control solutions is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpack the control solution, this red color cap is positive control and white color cap is negative control. I am going to take this one. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA positive control. Here we can see the volume and target value range. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is MAGLUMI, volume of 1 ml, target value range, and here we can see the HSV-1/2 IgM negative control. The white light cap is negative control. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute. This is a front view of this product. Top view you can see this is a closed seal reagent. On the back side we can see the reagents also. Here we go for summary. Today we can see the Snibe MAGLUMI HSV-1/2 IgM CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a control stickers, positive control, negative control, reagent seal, a QC certificate, a control solutions, positive control, negative control, both are volume of 1 ml. A reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB level, 25 ml dilute. This is the overall view. Thank you.